Hello everyone. In this video, we'll walk through the assembly process of the R18 Pro Mini Excavator. First, use a pin to secure the boom to the boom mounting bracket. Next, route the hydraulic hoses through the inside of the boom. Each hose is labeled with a number for identification. Please route the hoses according to their corresponding labels. Using a piece of wire will make it easier to pull the hoses through the boom. First, route hoses 10A and 10B out through the front end of the boom. Then route hoses 5A and 5B out through the front end of the boom as well. Next, route hoses 8A and 9A out through the left side of the boom. Then route hoses 8B and 9B out through the right side of the boom. Route hose 6A out through the frontmost hole on the top of the boom. Then route hose 6B out through the second hole on the top of the boom. Next, route hose T out through the third hole on the top of the boom. Then route hose 7B or 7A. B out through the same third hole on the top of the boom. Next, route hoses X and 7A. A out through the last hole on the top of the boom. Finally, route the work light wire out through the left side of the boom. Next, install the boom cylinder. First, connect hose 7B or 7A, B to the cylinder. Then use a pin to secure one end of the cylinder to the boom. Next, connect hose T to the safety valve. Then connect hose 7A, A to the safety valve. Next, connect hose X to the safety valve. Then use a pin to connect the other end of the cylinder to the boom mounting bracket. Use a pin to connect the boom and arm. Next, install the arm cylinder. First, use a pin to secure one end of the arm cylinder to the boom. Connect hose 6B to the cylinder. Then connect hose 6A to the cylinder. After that, use a pin to connect the other end of the cylinder to the arm. Use 2 bolts to secure the hose bracket to the boom. Then secure hose 8B in the upper position of the bracket. Secure hose 9B in the lower position of the bracket. Connect the upper hose from the arm's three-way ball valve to hose 8B. Connect the lower hose from the arm's three-way ball valve to hose 9B. The installation procedure on the left side is the same. First, install the hose bracket. Secure hose 8A in the upper position of the bracket. Secure hose 9A in the lower position of the bracket. Then connect the upper and lower hoses from the three-way ball valve to hoses 8A and 9A respectively. Route the four hoses from the top of the boom through the upper section of the arm. Next, install the bucket cylinder. Use a pin to secure the bucket cylinder to the arm. Connect hose 5B to the cylinder. Then connect hose 5A to the cylinder. Make sure to tighten the retaining bolts on the pins. Use a pin to install the quick coupler onto the arm. Secure the hydraulic manifold block of the quick coupler to the arm. Secure hose 10B on the right side. Secure hose 10A on the left side. Use pins to connect the rocker, linkage, and cylinder. Then use a pin to connect the quick coupler and linkage. Next, use a pin to secure the rocker to the arm. Now install the hydraulic thumb. Use a pin to secure the hydraulic thumb cylinder to the arm. Then use a pin to secure the thumb to the arm. Connect the hoses from the three-way ball valves on both sides to the hydraulic thumb cylinder. Do not forget to tighten all retaining bolts. Finally, connect the work light wiring and secure the work light to the boom. Using a wire, pull the reserve power cable from the right pillar through to the smart display mounting position and connect the plug. Secure the front section of the canopy with 6 bolts. Secure the rear section with 3 bolts. Connect the power cables on the left side. Each connector is marked with a number inside. Match the corresponding numbers, align the connector to the correct orientation, and firmly plug it into place. Finally, install the bucket. The assembly of the R18 Pro Mini Excavator is now complete.